Sir, National Conference has announced mandate from Kishtwar constituency of DDC. They have nominated a local businessman, and yesterday we have seen you have also circulated that you are going to contest the DDC elections for Kishtwar. You are a PDP leader. What is the reason behind two different mandates and where the Gupkar alliance lies?
See, so far as the Gupkar alliance is concerned, the alliance partners, be it PDP, National Conference or Congress, the meetings are going on, and since only list for phase 1 or phase 2 has been issued, so far as the elections with respect to Kishtwar district is concerned, elections are to be conducted in 8th phase. So alliance has not yet decided the candidates for this election. No list has been issued by the alliance, Gupkar alliance. So far as the announcement by the National Conference is concerned, they have proposed a name for the candidature, and simultaneously from People's Democratic Party, I am also an aspirant to contest the elections. Let us see, let us wait what the Gupkar alliance will decide, whether they will choose me as a candidate or the person who has been proposed by the National Conference. But so far as Gupkar, I will make it clear that Gupkar alliance has not declared anyone for the elections.
No, but National Conference has issued the mandate. They have handed over the mandate of National Conference to Zakir Hussain Bhatt.
If it is so, then which is obvious that National Conference is not following the dictates, National Conference is not following the guidelines or what the leadership has decided if they have distributed the mandate. I have also heard that they have only proposed a person, but if you are saying that they have distributed the mandate, so it is unfortunate. It should not have been done.
You have also circulated that you are going to contest. If alliance had not announced any candidate, do you think there is a fissure between the Gupkar alliance now?
No, so far as myself is concerned, I have not circulated anything. My supporters might have projected me as a candidate, a proposed candidate from the PDP, but not from the alliance, because alliance has not taken any decision so far. And whatever decision will be taken by the Gupkar alliance, we as a member of the alliance will abide there.
We have seen in Ward 1, in Madhwa, PDP withdraws since they want a coalition, Gupkar coalition partner to fight the election. But in Ward 1, we have seen differently, where PDP candidate has been nominated by the alliance, and NC block president has also filed as an independent.
See, so far as seat sharing is concerned, it was settled between National Conference and PDP that for Madhwa, National Conference will contest, and for Ward 1, our candidate, PDP candidate, will contest. So acting on the same agreement, acting on the same assurance, we have withdrawn from the Madhwa, and obviously National Conference must withdraw from the Ward 1. And we have come to know that a person who happens to be block president of National Conference, he has filed nomination from the Madhwa. It is also unfortunate. National Conference leadership must take note of it.
Do you think Gupkar alliance will go?
Of course, Gupkar alliance is need of the hour, and it must go.
No, I am not talking about the need of the hour. I am talking about as far as election is concerned. Do you think it will stand?
It must stand. We wish it must stand, because the alliance has been made with the single motive to push the communal forces behind, to stop the communal forces, to stop the divisive forces. And for this cause, all the parties must join together, and it must go.
Thank you.